Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax, Westbrook, Connecticut. Today we have a 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX that is a used boat, just under 60 hours. So it was only used for one season and meticulously maintained and cleaned. We have some bow seating up front, both with storage underneath, plenty of room to lay out. Drainable storage up front with large storage underneath. Lots of cup holders on this boat, front, middle, and rear. Speakers in the front, speakers in the rear. Beautiful color with the white and chocolate brown. Looks really nice. This boat does have the removable flooring, which is good for cleaning. And it does have the Simrad included with the Fusion stereo. Power outlet accessories, storage underneath for anchors or fenders, large storage, also for water skis, as this boat does have the tow pole package with it. We also have a forward sliding seat. Again, lots of cup holders. This boat does have the bimini top. Does have storage underneath the seats. It does have a cooler underneath the seats. The back seat can prop up. After sport viewing. And the back also comes up just under 3 feet deep of storage for water sports toys or even another cooler. So a lot of storage area on a boat that's 21 feet. Does have a sea deck on the swim platform, and this boat is powered by a 150 horsepower Mercury, so definitely plenty of power to tow ski sports and water sports or just towing the kids. Again, this is a 2019 21 SPX. Again, this is Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut. You can find this boat on our website, or you can call us at 860-661-4761. Thanks.